Hey everyone! Today, I am going to show you something really exciting. We are going to build a dropshipping store, but we are not going to do it the old way. We are going to use free AI tools to do all the hard work for us. This means you do not need any experience. You do not need to be a tech genius. You just need an idea and a computer. This method is perfect for complete beginners, and honestly, it makes starting an online business easier than ever before. Let's get started on your journey to building a real online store. So, where do we begin? Every great store starts with a great idea. This is called your niche. Your niche is the specific type of product you want to sell. Think about what you love. Do you love pets? Maybe you could sell cool pet gadgets or custom dog collars. Are you into fitness? You could sell home workout gear or yoga accessories. Maybe you love technology and want to sell phone cases and chargers. The best niches are often related to your own hobbies and passions. This makes it fun to run your store because you are selling things you genuinely care about and understand. Choosing a niche based on your interests is a super smart move. When you know a lot about a topic, you know what customers are looking for. You can speak their language. You can pick products that you know are good. Let's make a list. Write down 3 things you are passionate about. It could be anything: gardening, cooking, video games, fashion, or even eco-friendly products. For each interest, think about what problems people have. For example, if you love gardening, maybe people need better tools for small city apartments. That could be a great niche. Once you have a few ideas, you need to check if people are actually buying these things online. A great free way to do this is to just look around. Go to big online stores like Amazon or AliExpress. Search for products in your chosen niche. Are there lots of products with many reviews? That is a good sign. It means people are actively spending money. The AI tools we will use can also help suggest popular products later on, but starting with a solid niche that you are excited about is the most important first step. It is the foundation of your entire business. Okay, so you have picked your winning niche. Awesome. Now for the fun part, building your actual store. In the past, this part was super hard. You had to learn coding or hire expensive designers. But today, in 2025, we have incredible free AI tools that can build an entire store for you in just a few clicks. I am talking about tools that create a professional-looking website without you needing to do any of the technical stuff. These AI builders are designed to be extremely simple and user-friendly for everyone. First, you will need a platform for your store to live on. I always recommend Shopify for beginners. It is the industry standard for a reason. It is reliable, secure, and has everything you need to run a successful store. They have beginner-friendly plans that are not expensive to start with. Go to the Shopify website and sign up for a free trial. You just need to enter your email and a password. This will create your store's backend, which is like the control panel for your entire business. Don't worry about making it perfect yet. We will connect our AI tool to do that for us. Now, let's connect the AI magic. There are amazing AI website builders out there, and many can link directly to your new Shopify account. You will find an AI builder, often in the Shopify App Store, that asks you a few simple questions. It will ask for your store's name and your niche. Then, it will ask about your preferred style. The AI can generate color palettes and design ideas for you. You can just click on the ones you like. It will even create a beautiful homepage banner image automatically, so your store looks great from the very first second. This entire process is incredibly fast. The AI takes all your simple choices and builds a complete, ready-to-go dropshipping store. It creates the homepage, product pages, and even the contact page. You do not have to drag and drop elements or worry about layouts. The AI understands what makes a good online store and builds it for you. It is like having a professional web designer working for you, but for free. In just a few minutes, you will have a basic but functional store framework, all ready for the next step: adding products. Your store is built, but it is empty. We need to fill it with awesome products for people to buy. This is where dropshipping gets really cool. You do not need to buy any inventory. You do not need a warehouse full of boxes. We will use an app that connects your store to suppliers who have the products ready to go. When a customer buys something from your store, the supplier ships it directly to them. You never have to touch a single product. This is the magic of dropshipping, and AI-powered apps make it even easier. The best way to do this is with a dropshipping automation app. A very popular and beginner-friendly one is called ZenDrop. You can find it and other similar apps right in the Shopify App Store. Installing it is as easy as clicking a button. Once you connect an app like ZenDrop to your Shopify store, you get access to millions of products from reliable suppliers. These suppliers are checked to make sure they ship items quickly and are trustworthy. This saves you from the headache of trying to find good suppliers all by yourself. Now, let's add some products. Inside the ZenDrop app, you can search for products related to your niche. Let's say your store is about pet supplies. You can search for dog toys or cat beds. The app will show you hundreds of options. You can see the cost of the product, the suggested selling price, and shipping information. When you find a product you like, you just click an Add to Store button. The app will automatically import the product, including its title, description, and images, directly into your Shopify store. It is that simple. The best part is the automation. The app keeps everything in sync. If a supplier runs out of a product, the app will automatically update your store so you do not sell something that is out of stock. When you get an order, you can fulfill it with just one click inside the app. The order details are sent straight to the supplier. They handle all the packing and shipping. This means your business can practically run on its own, freeing up your time to focus on making your store look great and getting customers. Your store has products, which is great, but now we need to make it look trustworthy and professional. People are more likely to buy from a store that looks clean and well-designed. The AI Builder gave us a fantastic start, but we can add some personal touches to really make it shine. This step is all about building trust with your future customers. Simple changes to colors, fonts, and adding a logo can make a huge difference in your sales. Let's customize your store to make it uniquely yours. First, let's review the colors and fonts. The AI probably picked a good combination, but you can easily change it. In your Shopify dashboard, go to the online store section, and then themes. Here, you can click Customize. You will see options to change your store's colors. Try to stick to 2 or 3 main colors that match your brand. For example, an eco-friendly store might use green and brown, while a tech store might use blue and gray. Also, make sure your font is easy to read. A simple, clean font is always better than something complicated and fancy. Next, every great brand needs a logo. Don't worry, you do not need to be a graphic designer. There are free AI logo makers online that are super easy to use. You just type in your store name and choose your industry. The AI will generate dozens of logo options for you. You can pick one you like and even customize the colors and icon. Once you have a logo you are happy with, you can download it for free and upload it directly to your Shopify store in the header section of the theme customizer. A logo makes your store look official. Finally, think about adding a few simple apps to build even more trust. One of the most important apps you can add is a product review app. You can find free ones in the Shopify App Store. These apps let you import reviews from suppliers for the products you are selling. When customers see that other people have bought and liked a product, they are much more likely to buy it too. You could also add a basic email pop-up app to collect customer emails for future marketing. Keep it simple for now, just these small additions will make your store look much more professional. You have done it. Your store has a niche, a design, products, and a professional look. It is time to go live. Right now, your Shopify store has a password page on it. This is so only you can see it while you are building it. We need to remove this so that customers from all over the world can visit and shop. In your Shopify settings, find the section for Preferences or Store Password. You will see an option to disable the password page. To do this, you will need to choose a paid Shopify plan, but you can start with their most basic plan. Once you do that, your store is officially open for business. So, what happens when you get your very first order? It is an incredibly exciting moment. You will get an email and a notification from Shopify. But thanks to our automation app, you do not have to do much. Go into your ZenDrop or similar app. You will see the new order waiting for you. All the customer's information, their name, address, and the product they bought, is already there. All you have to do is click a single button to fulfill order. That's it. The app sends all the information to the supplier automatically. The supplier then takes over. They will pick the product from their warehouse, pack it up nicely, and ship it directly to your customer. The automation app will even send the tracking number back to your Shopify store. Shopify will then automatically email your customer to let them know their order is on the way, along with the tracking link. You did not have to buy any products up front, store any inventory, or go to the post office. Your business is working for you, even while you sleep. This is the power of a fully automated dropshipping store. This is just the beginning of your e-commerce adventure. Your store is built and ready to make money. The next big step is learning how to get customers. This is called marketing. You can learn about running Facebook ads, creating content on TikTok, or using Google ads. There are tons of amazing free resources on YouTube, including on my channel, Wholesale Ted, that teach you everything about marketing your store. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and don't be afraid to try new things. You have built a real business, and I am so excited to see you grow. Good luck.